Good morning, everyone. Here we are in front of a wind turbine, my secret drone, cinematic drone shooting piloting school. So I've got a DJI Mini and I want to learn how to pilot it, but it's just too boring to do it without a good enough subject. And I found this wind turbine, and the reason why I'm so interested is because this is a standalone object that's animated, and I know for sure that there's no tree higher than this wind turbine. Oh, let's come a bit closer so I can practice my swooping, orbiting shots around it. Now here's what we need to do. So we first need to go around it to the right, and that means right stick right and left stick left, and that is the kind of motion that I want. Now I want to be careful here because we also see the wind direction by looking at the wind turbine, and obviously from the points where the shot is most beautiful, this is where the wind is pushing you towards the blade. Now you see I'm drifting away from the turbine, which means I'm not doing something right. So my orbit isn't circular, it's actually quite a bit elliptical, and it's pushing me away from turbine. But I want to be here, and the reason why I want to be here is I want to measure my exposure. Whoa, oh, it's drifting big time. So I want to measure my exposure here, where I can see the side of the turbine. That's where I'm going to set my distance. I can see the histogram. You can't, but I can. I'm not going to nest videos in it and show you everything and the phone screen. It doesn't matter, right? But on the histogram, I can see overexposed bits. So I can come here. It's a beautiful shot. Okay, come a bit closer. Okay, here. So, okay, I'm underexposing a bit. I'm going to lock exposure from here, and I'm going to swoop this turbine in a circular motion going left, which means right stick left and left stick right. And it's very simple. So it's turning the drone. Yeah, so we start to slowly move. You want to move slowly, and then very, very slowly you start going on the left stick. Yeah. Now you see, because the turbine is not in the center. Whoa! You see, that's I made a mistake. Yeah. So you go. You don't let go. You go slow. You don't do what I've done right now. You go much slower, and you finish somewhere here. Now let's do it again, right? So we've done this swoop. So you want the subject. Here's the thing, from my basic understanding of geometry, you want the subject to be in the middle of the frame for a perfect swooping motion. Whoa, so close. I can actually see the drone from where I am. Let's come a little bit closer. Let's do it. Come on. How expensive can it be, right? $500 at best, yeah? This is beautiful. So we're hovering right in front of the turbine, a bit higher. Whoa, beautiful, beautiful. And then we start turning right, so right stick right and left stick left, and we keep the turbine in the middle of the frame. Yeah? Yeah. Whoa, let's do it again. Whoa, crazy, it's windy there. So we start moving right, yeah, with the right stick. Moving right, and left stick to the left. Yeah. And that gives us an orbit. And as long as you keep the subject in the middle of the frame, whoa, not too fast, not too fast. Don't let go of the sticks. That's the mistake I'm making, right? I'm letting go of the sticks, and it becomes jerky. It says weak signal. That could be another reason why it's jerky. So keep the subject in the middle of the frame. Forget photography stuff, right? So forget the 2/3. Keep it in the middle of the frame, because then it is easier for you to create a circular orbit. Okay? Let's do it again. So now we're going to move from right to left. Oh, that's so exciting. So it's right stick left and left stick right, yeah? Let's do it. Right stick left. We'll start the movement. Whoa, not so fast. Oh, and I made, oh, here's the thing. Yeah, that's the mistake I made. So I've gone right stick left and left stick left. Yeah, it's the other way around. So there we go. Let's make sure that we're good. Right stick left, slow. We start the motion, and left stick right. When the turbine comes in the middle of the frame, we start to follow the subject with the left stick. Yeah. Oh, so windy. Yeah. But don't let go, right? So if the subjects are drifting away from the center of the frame, you don't let go. Yeah, you don't try to correct it. Yeah, you don't do this. Yeah. Just keep the sticks planted. We've got 30% of the battery left, so I think that's the end of our circular orbiting for today. I'll just have a look around and go back to where we are. Thanks to DJI's app, we can see where the controller is in relation to the drone. So just turn around. The little arrows pointing us towards where we need to go. We need to go somewhere there. Yeah, oh, look at that. Yeah, and we're just coming back towards the wind, slowly. Yeah, slowly coming back. It's super windy. I'm surprised it's not complaining about the wind yet. It is a tough little drone. It's the engineering on that is just superb. And we're practicing our slow control of the sticks. Yeah, so, oh, that was fast. Oh, slow control of the sticks, and we'll bring the drone right to where we are. Ooh, hello drone. Hey, welcome back. Oh my god, I can see it tilted like, because the gimbal is compensating for it, but I can see the drone is like a 20-degree angle fighting the wind. Wow. And we're done.